Yo, what's up everyone? It's AI Pro Guide back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI side hustles with Elon Musk's latest creation, Grok AI. This isn't just another AI chatbot, this thing is a potential goldmine. We're talking about turning Grok AI into your own personal money-making machine. Now you know I'm all about that tech that pushes boundaries, and Grok AI is definitely doing that. But the real game changer here is its potential to generate some serious side income. We're not talking about pennies here, people. This is about leveraging the power of AI to create a sustainable stream of revenue. So, if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of financial freedom, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the first money-making method, AI-powered content creation. Now content is king, right? In today's digital age, the demand for fresh, engaging, and high-quality content is higher than ever. You've heard it a million times. Content is the backbone of any successful online presence. Businesses, bloggers, YouTubers, everyone needs high-quality content and they need it consistently to keep their audience engaged. And that's where Grok AI comes in. Think of Grok AI as your secret weapon for churning out amazing content at lightning speed. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. We're talking blog posts, articles, social media captions, even entire scripts for videos. Grok AI can handle it all. No task is too big or too small. And the best part? It does it in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Imagine the hours you'll save. Imagine this. You need a killer blog post about, say, the future of electric vehicles, a topic that's both complex and ever-evolving. You could spend hours researching, writing, and editing, or you could simply feed Grok AI a few keywords, sit back, and let it work its magic. It's like having a team of researchers at your disposal. Within minutes, you've got a well-written, informative, and engaging blog post ready to go. No more late nights or stressful deadlines. But it doesn't stop there. Grok AI can also help you optimize your content for search engines, making sure it gets seen by the right people. SEO is crucial for visibility. It can even suggest different headlines and calls to action to maximize engagement. Tailoring your content to your audience has never been easier. It's like having a full-fledged content marketing team at your fingertips. All the expertise, none of the overhead. Now here's how you turn this content creation superpower into cold, hard cash. The opportunities are vast and varied. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even dedicated content mills are always hungry for fresh, original content. They are constantly on the lookout for talented writers. You can easily set up shop as a freelance writer and start offering your Grok AI-powered services. Market yourself as a high-efficiency content creator, and don't underestimate the power of scale. With Grok AI, you can take on multiple projects at once and deliver high-quality work in record time, freeing you up to take on even more clients, allowing you to increase your earning potential exponentially. The more you produce, the more you earn. You can even package your content into different formats like ebooks or online courses and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Diversify your income streams. The possibilities here are pretty much endless. The digital landscape is vast and full of opportunities. Whether you're looking for a full-time income stream or just want to earn some extra cash on the side, AI-powered content creation is a lucrative and scalable option. It's flexible and can fit into any lifestyle. And with Grok AI as your partner in crime, you'll be cranking out top-notch content and raking in the dough in no time. The future of content creation is here and it's powered by AI. Let's move on to our next money-making method, AI chatbot services for businesses. Now, if you've ever interacted with customer service online, chances are you've already encountered a chatbot. They're everywhere these days, and for good reason. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to automate and streamline their operations. And chatbots offer a cost-effective solution for handling customer inquiries, providing support, and even qualifying leads. But here's the thing. Building a chatbot from scratch requires coding skills and technical expertise that most businesses simply don't have. That's where you come in, armed with the power of Grok AI. You see, Grok AI isn't just a content creation machine, it's also a highly sophisticated chatbot engine that can be trained to handle a wide range of conversational tasks. Imagine this. You approach a local business owner, let's say a restaurant, and offer to build them a custom chatbot that can take orders, answer frequently asked questions, and even book reservations. With Grok AI, you can easily create a chatbot that integrates seamlessly with their website or social media platforms. You can train the chatbot on the restaurant's menu, hours of operation, and even their brand voice, ensuring a consistent and on-brand customer experience. And because Grok AI is constantly learning and improving, the chatbot will become more efficient and accurate over time. Now let's talk pricing. You could charge a one-time setup fee for building the chatbot and then offer ongoing maintenance and support for a monthly retainer. Or you could even charge businesses per interaction, essentially creating a pay-as-you-go model. The beauty of this business model is that it's highly scalable. Once you've built a few successful chatbots, you can leverage those case studies to attract even more clients. You can even create different chatbot packages tailored to specific industries like healthcare, e-commerce, or real estate. So, if you're tech-savvy and have a knack for customer service, offering AI chatbot services powered by Grok AI could be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. It's a rapidly growing market with huge income potential, and with the right skills and marketing, you can position yourself as the go-to chatbot guru in your area. The possibilities are endless, and the demand is only increasing. So, why not seize this opportunity and make your mark in the world of AI chatbot services? Chapter 3. AI-Generated Digital Products. Let's dive into the final method for monetizing Grok AI, creating and selling AI-generated digital products. This method is not only innovative but also incredibly scalable. Now, digital products are huge in the online world. They have revolutionized the way we think about business and entrepreneurship. They're essentially digital assets that you create once and sell over and over again, creating a passive income stream that can generate revenue while you sleep. Imagine waking up to find that you've made sales overnight. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, printables. The possibilities are endless. Each of these products can cater to different niches and audiences, and the best part? You can create all of these products using the power of Grok AI. This AI tool can significantly reduce the time and effort required to produce high-quality digital content. Let's say you're passionate about fitness and nutrition. This is a booming industry with a constant demand for fresh, valuable content. You could use Grok AI to generate a comprehensive ebook filled with workout routines, meal plans, and motivational tips. This ebook could become a go-to resource for fitness enthusiasts. Simply feed Grok AI relevant keywords and prompts, and it will churn out high-quality content that you can then compile, edit, and format into a polished ebook. The process is seamless and efficient, but it doesn't stop there. The potential for creating diverse digital products is vast. You can use Grok AI to create accompanying worksheets, meal trackers, and even personalized workout calendars, adding even more value to your digital product. These additional resources can enhance the user experience. And once you've created your product, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. These platforms provide a ready-made audience for your products. Or let's say you're a productivity enthusiast. This niche is always looking for tools to improve efficiency and organization. You could create a series of templates and checklists using Grok AI, designed to help people streamline their workflows, manage their time more effectively, and boost their productivity. These tools can be game changers for busy professionals. Think project management templates, content calendars, social media schedulers, the list goes on. Each of these products can solve specific problems for your audience. These types of products are in high demand, and because they're digital, you can sell them an unlimited number of times without having to worry about inventory or shipping costs. This scalability is a major advantage. And here's the real beauty of this method. You can automate the entire process. Automation tools can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more creative endeavors. You can use Grok AI to generate the content for your digital products, then use tools like Zapier or Integromat to automatically deliver the product to your customers upon purchase. This ensures a smooth and efficient transaction process. This creates a truly passive income stream that requires minimal effort on your part once it's set up. The initial investment of time and effort can pay off significantly in the long run. So, if you're looking for a way to generate passive income while leveraging the power of AI, creating and selling digital products is a fantastic option. It combines creativity, technology, and entrepreneurship in a way that can be both fulfilling and profitable. So there you have it. 3 powerful ways you can leverage the power of Elon Musk's Grok AI to launch your own AI-powered side hustle. Whether you're a content creation whiz, a tech-savvy entrepreneur, or a digital product pro, there's a method here for everyone. And the best part is, this is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for monetizing your skills with tools like Grok AI will only continue to expand. So what are you waiting for? The future of side hustling is here, and it's powered by AI. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI money-making strategies, and let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try out. And hey, maybe I'll even share some more advanced Grok AI tips and tricks in a future video. Until then, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one.